Hey there Windows users! If you've recently installed or reinstalled Windows 10 and are wondering how to get it activated, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through two methods to activate Windows 10, ensuring you have fully functional operating system. Now for method 1, which is offline activation. Step 1. Click the Start button. To start, simply click on the Start button located on your taskbar. Then step 2 is to navigate to Settings and select Update and Security. So go to Settings, then go to Update and Security. Now step 3, choose Activation. Click on Activation and then select Change Product Key. See here, the button Change Product Key. Then step 4 is to insert product key. Enter the product key provided to you and follow the prompts to activate Windows 10. Now for me, my Windows 10 is already activated, so I don't need to change the product key. But if ever you have a product key, you can paste your product key here, click next, and follow the instructions. But for now, I'm going to cancel mine. Now for the second method, which is online activation. Now step 1 is to open your browser. Go to the online route and open your preferred web browser. Now I already opened mine, and let's go to step 2, which is to visit the Microsoft website. Head to the official Microsoft website and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now I'm already in the Microsoft website and I'm signed in my Microsoft account. Then step 3 is to activate through the Microsoft Store. After signing in, open the Microsoft Store and follow the prompts to activate Windows 10. And there you have it, two methods to activate your Windows 10 operating system. Whether you prefer to do it offline through the settings or online via the Microsoft Store, getting your OS up and running has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech guides. And let us know in the comments below what other Windows related topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep your Windows experience smooth and hassle-free.